Characteristic of a part configuration, including cams, gears, and warped surfaces. No special fixtures or gauges are required to use coordinate measuring machine. Since probe contact pressure is very light, most parts can be inspected without being clamped to the table. So clamping devices are rarely used. Single setup measurement. Most parts can be inspected in a single setup, thus eliminating the need to reorient the parts for access to all features. And we can achieve reduced setup time, part alignment, and establishing appropriate reference points are very time consuming with conventional surface plate inspection techniques. Since coordinate measuring machine software allows the operator to define the orientation of the part on the coordinate measuring machine, all subsequent data are corrected for misalignment between the parts reference system and the machine coordinates. Because of this, the setup time is reduced very much. And we can achieve improved accuracy. All measurements in a CMM are taken from a common geometrically fixed measuring system. So this eliminates the introduction and accumulation of errors that can result with hand gauge inspection methods and transfer techniques. And there is reduced operator influence. The use of digital readouts eliminate the subjective interpretation of readings common with dial or vernier type measuring devices. Since the measurement data is directly transferred to the computer system, the operator errors are minimum. And operator feel is practically eliminated with modern touch trigger probe systems, and most coordinate measuring machines have routine measuring procedures for typical part features such as bores or center distances. In computer assisted systems, the operator is under the control of a program that eliminates the operator's choice. In addition, automatic data recording prevents errors in copying readings to the inspection report. In conventional measurement system, the operator reads the dial indicators or whatever the gauge is using, and then he should copy the reading to the inspection report. So during that time he may make a mistake. In the computer assisted system, such errors are completely eliminated. Due to computer assisted system, less skilled operators can be easily instructed to perform relatively complex inspection procedures. And there is improved productivity. Due to the above mentioned advantages, coordinate measuring machines are more productive than conventional inspection techniques. Additionally, productivity is realized through the computational and analytical capabilities of associated data handling systems, and no separate gauges are needed. All the features can be measured in one setup in a CMM, and reduced inspection time and quick retrieval of stored data. Now let us study what are the errors possible in coordinate measuring machine. The granite table or cast iron table should be very much flat. If the table is not flat and there is some error in the granite table surface, then when we keep the workpiece, it will be resting like this. So it will rest on the table at some inclination. So because of this, errors will be introduced. And error in probe movement, that means the probe, when it moves in the x, y, z direction, there is some error in the guideway. The guideways may not be straight, or they may not be moving along a straight path. Because of this, there will be error in the measurement. And then deflection in probe. If we use unnecessarily long probes, so it will bend too much, and because of this deflection, error is introduced. And workpiece weight induced errors. So when we keep the workpiece on the table, granite table, if the weight is too much, then the granite table may deflect like this. Because of this, the measurement error will be introduced. So we should take care to see that weight of the workpiece does not exceed the limit specified by the manufacturer. Then if there is any temperature variation because of the thermal expansion and contraction, error will be introduced. So it is very essential that whenever we use a coordinate measuring machine, the temperature variations are minimized, or proper compensations are given for the variation. And the fingerprint, dust particle and human hair may cause error in the measurement. We should clean the workpiece surfaces, we should clean the probe surface with utmost care, and then we should conduct the measurement. Perpendicularity error if the three axes are not orthogonal. Because of this also, measurement error will be introduced. Then coordinate measuring machine in a computer-aided manufacturing system. Dimensional measurement interface system, that is DMIS, is used between the computer-aided manufacturing and CMM. This provides a bidirectional communication of inspection data between the CNC machine and coordinate measuring machine to see that what has to be made and what exactly is made. That means what is intended and what is made. This difference can be assessed by using this DMIS system. Now we can see here, this is the CAD system which will provide the CAD data to the CNC machine tool, and this generates the CNC program based on CAD system, and the program